If you want an improved version of yourself, then work hard on these 3 things in present and future. The thing to do in 2025. Number 1. Work on yourself. Work on yourself because you are your greatest project. Growth begins when you decide to break free from old patterns. Challenge your limits and cultivate the strength within. Every day is an opportunity to sharpen your mind, heal your heart, and fuel your passion. Don't wait for circumstances to change. Be the force that transforms your life. The most powerful investment you will ever make is in your own development. As you rise, you inspire others to do the same. You become a beacon of resilience and purpose. Your potential is limitless, but it demands effort, consistency, and unwavering belief in who you are becoming. The thing to do in 2025. Number 2. Work on your relationships. Work on your relationships because they are the foundation of a fulfilling life. Strong connections don't just happen. They are built with trust, empathy, and intentional effort. Listen deeply, speak with kindness, and show up consistently for the people who matter. Relationships thrive when you nurture them with patience and understanding, even when it's not easy. The love, respect, and support you pour into others will return to you in ways that enrich your soul. In a world that often feels disconnected, be the person who bridges gaps and strengthens bonds. Remember, the quality of your relationships shapes the quality of your life. The thing to do in 2025. Number 3. Work on coming generations. Work on coming generations by investing in their growth, values, and vision. Empower them with knowledge, kindness, and the courage to dream beyond limits. Guide them not by control, but by example. Show them that strength lies in compassion and wisdom in humility. The future is shaped in the hearts and minds of those who follow us, and our responsibility is to light their path. Every word of encouragement, every lesson shared, plants the roots of resilience and purpose. When you pour into the next generation, you create leaders, innovators, and changemakers who will carry the torch of progress. Your legacy will not be measured by what you leave behind, but by the lives you have lifted. Kindly convert these thoughts into practices and excel in life. Thank you.